Hey everyone, thanks for joining me today. This is Amber Simmons from ambersimmons.com, and this is the Cricut Design Space 101 series. Today we're going to be talking about the attach feature. The attach feature can be found in the bottom right hand corner, right here in the center. It's the little paper clip. And the attach feature is great for getting things to stay where you want them. So let's just throw some hearts up here. I'm going to do 6 hearts. So I have them all right here. Let's put them all. So these are all scattered about. Let's line them up a little bit. Let's say that we even want to turn some of these upside down to try and save as much space as possible and use as much of our material as possible. There we go. And we're going to just resize them a little bit because they are a little bit too wide for our mat. And now I'm going to go up in the right hand corner and click Make It. And as you can see, it rearranged my shapes for me. And sometimes that's really frustrating since you've spent so much time making sure that it'll fit on the mat. So if I click cancel and I go back, they're still exactly the way I left them. So if I select all of the ones I want to attach and I go and click the little attach paperclip icon, these are now attached to the mat, hence attach. So I go back up and I click the Make It button in the right hand corner, and now all of my shapes are exactly how I have them attached to the mat, and it will save my materials, or if I'm using scraps and I know exactly where I want things to be placed, this is another great way to do it. All you need to do is attach, and if you want to change it up, you can simply click it and detach, and it'll go right back to allowing Cricut to move things around. I hope you found that helpful, and if you did, I'd love it if you gave it a big thumbs up and follow my channel to get more tutorials, including other Cricut Design Space 101 videos. Thanks everybody. See you next time.